This is a 3-piece block puzzle and it has a very simple goal. Just put 3 pieces back together into this kind of a pyramid shape, which may look easy at a first glance, but once you start solving the puzzle, you will notice that it is absolutely impossible to put parts back together. You can create many kinds of different shapes, but none of them looks like a pyramid. This puzzle was designed by Stuart Coffin and made by Greg Puzzles. Difficulty level of this puzzle is 7 out of 10 on a Puzzle Master's difficulty scale that runs from 5 to 10. And as I mentioned, the goal of the puzzle is to make a pyramid. If you like the 3-piece block puzzle and you want to buy it, go to puzzlemaster.ca and don't forget to subscribe if you want to see more videos from Puzzle Master. And now I will show you how to solve the puzzle. When I solve this puzzle, every time I solve it almost like the first time, since it is quite difficult to remember the position of each piece. So before filming this video, I had to practice a lot to remember all the correct moves. So we will start solving the puzzle by grabbing this piece. There is only one piece that is made from 4 blocks. Then you grab this piece that has a symmetrical shape and you put it on top of the first one like that. That doesn't look like a pyramid, maybe from this side a little bit, but still this is the correct assembling. And then you grab the last piece, put it inside like that, but that's not the correct one, so you have to flip it like that, put it together with the rest too, and this is the correct assembling of the puzzle, and you see this pyramid shape. Quite a crazy puzzle, difficult to solve. Even though you saw the solution and you think that you know how to solve the puzzle, you don't need it anymore. Believe me, you can buy this puzzle, take it apart, and you will spend at least 20-30 minutes trying to figure out the way how to put all the parts back together. Even one of the parts fell out, and I don't think, oh yeah, I was able to put it back together. Oh, thanks God. So great puzzle, highly recommend it. You can get it at puzzlemaster.ca and many more great puzzles.